Hello, ladies. We're going to make something else today. I know a lot of you ladies get gifted with roses. I know a lot of y'all probably get roses from y'all significant other, from your kids, or whomever. And when the roses are dying and about to die, you just take them and throw them out. So what I'm going to suggest to you guys, don't throw the roses out. Take the roses. I want you to put them in a plastic bag and continue to let them to dry out. And then once they die and dry out, you rinse them in cold water, not hot water, because that's going to take all the oil away, and just have them where it's dried out. So these is dried rose petals, okay? And then I took some roses that I had around, and I took it and put it into my blender, and I blended all together fine. This is a tight jar. So what we're going to make is sweet rose oil. I'm losing half the roses on the counter. Now, this is not something that's going to be available right away. It's going to take time to make. So I would say about 3 weeks being the best. So you take your sweet almond oil and put it in here on top of the dry roses. So if you got a lot more roses, you're going to need a lot more almond oil. I get my almond oil off of Amazon. Alexa, what's the benefit of using rose oil?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, when applied directly to the skin, skin care products containing rose essential oil are purported to hydrate dry skin, clear acne, reduce signs of aging, minimize the appearance of scars, and help with conditions such as eczema and rosacea.
You hear that? Okay. So we're going to leave this in there, and then what we're going to do is let this do what it needs to do. It's got to cure. And then remember how I talk about taking a cheesecloth or that silk. When you drain it, you're going to drain it so none of these particles is in here, okay? So when you drain it, none of the oil residue is in here. I mean, none of the rose seeds and, just is in here. And don't put the stick in here. We only want the rose petal part. So now that I got this here, and this is a really nice airtight jar, don't sit it in your kitchen or somewhere where there's a lot of sunlight. You want to take this and take it into a dark area. You take it and take it into a dark area and just let it cure for 3 weeks. And if you forget, let's see. Alexa, set me a timer for 3 weeks for my rose oil.
I can only set a timer within the next 24 hours.
Okay. Alexa, set me an event for 3 weeks. I gotta give her a date.
Sure, Ann. On what day?
March 30th.
And what's the name of the event?
Rose oil. Complete.
Okay, I've added that.
Thank you. Okay, you got to be a little bit more specific when you asking her as a reminder. And then leaving it longer ain't going to do nothing. It's just going to be more potent. So now I'm going to take this, put it in a dark area, and I will have my rose oil. So if you guys are getting roses for anniversaries, birthdays, whatever, and you want to take that and extract it and turn it into rose oil, y'all see the benefits of using the rose oil, then that's what you will do, and you go from there. So okay guys, I wanted to make that real quick. I'm like, you know what, let me show them something else. So this is how you make your own rose oil. So I'm gonna get back to my workout, guys. You guys have a great day. Toodles.